Came here to see some old airplanes.
Yeah.
And yep, so it should be really exciting.
It's the ancient plane museum.
Yeah. No, they restore planes here, so we're gonna walk around and we can see what planes they have.
May
Now we can go.
May I tell something? Okay?
Yes.
And I want to find the Wright Flyer. The Wright Flyer is the plane that the Wright brothers built in 1903.
I don't think they're gonna have them that old. They're gonna be more like a World War I and II era, probably. But we're gonna go check it out. Let's go see. Let's go see. Okay.
Oh, I hope they have a blackbird.
Okay. He's hoping for a blackbird. I don't think they're gonna have a blackbird.
What was this
Honey.
It smells in here. Sure
Paint.
smells.
See? He's painting. He's spray painting. Look at that engine. What did you get?
A badge.
Let me see. Oh, nice.
Do we get to keep them?
I think so.
Yes, you do.
Whoa.
And it may. And these are called flaps. They make wings bigger.
Look at those two planes.
How come there is?
This one's even bigger. Look at that propeller. So,
This one looks like that.
and then this is
This
and this is a jet engine. And this is how they refuel plane in midair.
midi.
In the air while it's
Oh, it's one
flying.
of those that can be refueled in midair.
Yep. See, it's like a boat in the front. Ну иди, ты боишься? Scary?
I'm not afraid.
Whoa.
I dare to enter. Without the person.
We found the closet for the pet kids in the back.
Oh,
No, not for me. I don't want to go there.
closet for bad kids. Where is it? Oh, okay. Who are we gonna put in there?
My brother. Not me. Him.
The Wright Flyer. This is the one you were looking for.
Yeah.
This is the one you wanted to see. Here it is, the Wright Flyer. Look at that.
The Wright Flyer?
It's the one Andrew wanted to see.
We don't.
Have a good day. Good
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Dad, you gave us all the money you had?
Okay, you guys had fun?
Yeah, I did, but now I'm low on fuel.